Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're following up on some breaking news from yesterday regarding Peloton. After it was reported that the company would be halting production of their bikes, the stock plummeted nearly 24%. Now we're hearing from the Peloton CEO who says these reports are not true. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Like I said, today we're discussing Peloton. Now, there's been a lot of news going on regarding their production and whether it will be halted or not. And of course, this has had a big effect on the Peloton stock. Trading under the ticker PTON, the Peloton stock has been on a fairly steady decline this past year, coming down from pandemic highs. But yesterday they took a massive blow, with the stock dropping nearly 24% down to the $24 price point. This drastic drop in price was sparked by news circulating that Peloton would be halting production of their bikes. But we've now heard from CEO John Foley, who addressed the company and the press in a letter. And he states that rumors we are halting all production of bikes and treads are false. So we're going to quickly back up here and see where these reports all started, and then we'll get more into John's response. This all began yesterday when CNBC initially reported that Peloton would be halting production of their bikes and treadmills as demand wanes. They said, according to internal documents obtained by CNBC, the company is looking to control costs. And they said in a confidential presentation dated January 10th that demand for its connected fitness equipment has faced a significant reduction around the world due to shoppers' price sensitivity and amplified competitor activity. They said that Peloton plans to pause bike production for 2 months from February to March, and that it had already halted production of its more expensive Bike Plus in December and will do so until June. It won't manufacture its treadmill machine for 6 weeks beginning next month. So this all, of course, sent the Peloton stock into a nosedive yesterday. But now we can take a closer look at the letter from CEO John Foley. He very clearly states that the information the media has obtained is incomplete, out of context, and not reflective of Peloton's strategy. As a public company that is in pre-earnings quiet period, they are limited in what information they can share, and they did issue a pre-earnings press release earlier yesterday about their preliminary Q2 results. In this press release, they did state that, as we discussed last quarter, we're taking significant corrective actions to improve our profitability outlook and optimize our costs across the company. This includes gross margin improvements, moving to a more variable cost structure, and identifying reductions in our operating expenses as we build a more focused Peloton moving forward. But by cost reductions, he did not mean halting production of the bikes altogether. John confirms that connected fitness is here to stay. So it would seem that the massive sell-off in Peloton yesterday was maybe not exactly justified. Now let's see how the analysts have reacted, as we have had a ton reiterating price targets following this news yesterday. Overall, the Peloton stock is coming in as a moderate buy based on 11 buy ratings, 14 holds, and 2 sells. The average price target after yesterday's drop is now an upside of 158%. Taking a closer look at our detailed list of analyst forecasts, majority of the ratings from yesterday are coming in as a buy. It seems that analysts think this big dip in price could be a good opportunity. Many price targets coming in around that $40 price mark for a 65% upside. We even have several at $50 or above for those triple-digit gain potentials. So that is a quick update surrounding all this news about Peloton. I'm sure more will continue to unveil in the coming weeks, and we do have an earnings report coming up for them on February 8th, where I'm sure we'll get a lot more insight. Let me know your thoughts on the Peloton stock in the comments down below. Did this news spook you, or do you still have hope for Peloton's future? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.